Hello, this is Unit 1, Formative 1, Day 4, Order of Operations. Most of us know Order of Operations as Please Excuse My Dear Aunt Sally, where the please stands for parentheses, okay, and the excuse stands for exponents, okay. My dear stands for multiplication and or division. Remember this one? They can go in either order, and I'll show you some of those. And then Aunt Sally is addition and or subtraction. All right, again, parentheses for P, exponents, multiplication or division, so whichever comes first, and then addition or subtraction, whichever comes first, so PEMDAS. All right, so we're going to simplify each expression. Remember, expression is variables and numbers, or both of them, and there's no equal sign. Okay, so here we go in number 1. We have 5 plus 2/3. Now, if I'm going to write over here the order I'm going to do things, all right, parentheses, there's no parentheses here. Exponents, there is an exponent, so that's 2 to the third. So we have 5 plus, and remember, 2 to the third is 2 times 2 times 2. The exponent tells us how many times we're going to use 2. So 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8. And then 5 plus 8 is 13. Okay. Now, next one, number 2, is 12 minus 25 divided by 5. So there's no parentheses, no exponents. Multiplication and division, there's no multiplication, but there's division. So we're going to take 25 divided by 5, and that gives us 5. I'm going to make sure I bring everything down. So I'm going to bring down the minus and the 12. And then last 12 minus 5 is 7. All right, next one. Okay, I'm going to go ahead. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So I'm going to look for parentheses first. Now here's a parentheses. However, there's nothing in the parentheses but a 6, which tells us that it's going to be a multiplication problem. Okay, but here's another parentheses, and this parentheses has an operation. It's 4 minus 1. So 4 minus 1 is 3. Now I'm going to make sure I bring down my parentheses and everything else. Okay, so that got rid of parentheses. Exponents. There is an exponent here. Okay, right there. So I'm going to go ahead and do my exponent. So 3 to the second power, remember, is 3 times 3. So that's 9. Okay, I'm going to bring down this 3. And my 4 times 6. Okay, get rid of that. Multiplication, there's 2 multiplications. And there's an addition sign in between here, so you can go ahead and do those at the same time. So 4 times 6 is 24, plus 3 times 9 is 27, and that gives us 51. Okay, make sure you bring the numbers down, right, and follow the orders. All right, next one. So we have, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Okay, parentheses, there's no parentheses. Exponents, there's 3 exponents here. There's that one, and that one. So you can do them all at the same time. Okay, so 2 to the 5th, remember, is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So that's 4, 4, and 2. So 4 times 4 is 16, times 2 is 32. Bring down my minus. 4 to the second is 16. Divided by 2 to the second, which is 4. Okay, so I got rid of our exponents. Multiplication or division. There's division. Okay, so 16 divided by 4 is 4. And then 32 minus 4 is 28. Okay. Next one. All right. All right, parentheses. There's parentheses. 2/9 times 3 here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and 2/9 times 3. I'm going to go make the 3 into a fraction. It's a lot easier to deal with and see. All right, now remember on these you can multiply straight across. Okay, or you can simplify or cross cancel first. Okay, so if we multiply straight across, 2 times 3 is 6. 9 times 1 is 9. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and bring the 21 down, and I'm going to make that into a fraction as well. Still multiplication. Got rid of there's no exponents. Got rid of the parentheses. So we got multiplication here. All right. Now on this one, I'm going to go ahead and cancel because I have my 9 and my 21 here. So 3 will go into both of them. So I'm going to simplify that. So 3 will go into 9 3 times. 3 will go into 21, 7. And now I'm going to multiply straight across. 6 times 7 is 42. 3 times 1 is 3. And then 42 divided by 3 is 14. That's it. You guys have a great day.